Now to remove a door, just make sure you clear this handle. You start first with the outer door. Just grab it from the sides a little bit lower and lift it until it locks, until it stops. So you can move it actually upwards, maybe 1 inch into this groove, just like that. Keep it there, then slide off the bottom of it and let it sit somewhere. If you have a nice floor, make sure you put something to protect it. And then you remove the first door, you can remove the second door, and third place you can remove the net. Now when you put them back in place, put first the net, then the second door goes in place. Remember, check the stickers, you know how the handle goes. Clear the handle, then install the first door. Again, lift it, insert it into its groove until it stops. So right now it stopped. Slide it gently and engage it at the top of the rail. Just make a test so see the welds are sliding properly, so it's properly engaged in there. Closer look to the rail, that's at the bottom of the door, so you need to engage this kind of channel onto the rail, just on top of it, and you'll feel when the well are just sliding, rolling properly. But the first thing that's most important, just get some tape and mark which one is the first inner door, because they stand behind each other. First inner door, mark it here, right, left side, top and bottom. Very important, don't skip this step. Also notice at the bottom the doors sit on a rail. They have 2 wells, so mark the rail for each door. If you are removing the net, also mark the rail for the net. At the top the doors sit into a channel. Mark that channel too for each door, just write on them what you want. Same for the patio door, notice how many channels are there. Be sure to mark that channel, don't forget this step. Now you see, this being Canada, there are 4 patio doors. The inner one, there are 2 of them, the left one and the right one, the front and the second one. The outer one is the same way, there is one in front of the other. In Canada, the inner doors are lighter. They weigh maybe, I would say, 50 pounds each. Perhaps you can handle them by yourself. The outer ones have much thicker glass. They are very, very, very heavy. And if you want to remove them, you need a helper. Don't forget this part.